This is Infinix Hot 30 and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. To start, you will need to launch the Play Store, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi of course. Then at the search bar input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either install it from the search results or tap at the install button at the Opera app info page, doesn't matter which path you'll choose ultimately. So now give it some time to be downloaded and installed first. Actually, let me check if I have any other app updates or installations in the queue, which might push the Opera installation further back. So manage apps on this device, updates. Well, I'm not seeing anything that should interfere with the Opera downloads, so that is fairly odd that it's still in the pending state. But well, these things happen, I guess, sometimes. Oh, never mind, so the download was started, so now let's wait. So the Opera browser app was successfully installed. Now let's launch it and set it up as well. So firstly, tap at the blue continue button that should appear right over here. Then select if you would like to enable notifications for Opera or perhaps set it as your default browser app. And over here you can customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.